Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to import or add custom fonts to CapCut. So here let's say I want to add this Hello Sunday fonts to CapCut. So I usually download a font from the font.com. So you just need to download first, then open it on your file manager. Okay, it will come as a zip like this, so you need to extract the file first. Then after that you can just open the CapCut apps, and to import or add the font you just need to go to tags, click on add tags, and here just add your tags first. Then after that click on the add font tab, and then here click on the plus icon to add a new font to CapCut. Then click on upload file, and then you can just choose the font that you want. I'm going to go with recent. Oops. Okay, this the Hello Sunday font. Just click on the font file, and just like that the font has been uploaded. Then if you want to use it, just click on the font, and just like that the font has been successfully imported and can be used on your CapCut. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.